Hello children, today we are going to study the last concept of this chapter, estimating money. To find it, we round off the amount to the nearest rupee, 10 rupee and 100 rupees. So as you all know, the last digit will be after point 5, 6, 8, 9 are there means we have to add 1. If 1, 2, 3, 4 are there means you have to add zeros to the nearest digit. So like that, we are already last 3 chapters also we are studying the estimation. So same things are continued here to find estimating money. So you have to just careful about that, and there will be the sum and the difference also examples are there, just to focus and complete the exercise. So rounding to the nearest rupee, first one round off 420 rupees 423.96 to the nearest rupee only they told. So here after decimal point they will given 9. So 9 it is nothing but we have to add 1 to this rupees. So 423 plus rupees 1 it is rupees 424. They are told only rupee, not 10 rupees or 100 rupees, just told the nearest rupee. Then one more rupees 78,435 to the nearest 10 rupees. 10 rupees means nearest 10 multiple we have to see. So it is the last digit will be 5. Then 5 means you should add 10 to the 78,430 plus 10, it is 7 rupees 78,440. It is the nearest 10 value. So 35 is there, no? For 35 we have to add 10 to the 30, then we will get rupees 78,440. So you have to see nearest 100 means last 2 digit you have to make it 00, and according to the digit you have to add 100 or add 0 rupees. Like this you have to make the difference. Next one, estimated sum and difference. So this can be done by rounding off to the nearest rupee, 10 rupee, 100 rupee, etc., and adding and subtracting as required. If it is given plus, so here estimate by rounding to the nearest rupee, rupees 235.67 plus rupees 498.23. So 6 rupees 235, 6 is there, that's why it is nearest rupee means 236, plus it is 2 is there in the point rupees 498.23. 2 is there, that's why it is rupees 498 it is. So the total sum of this is rupees 734. So you have to focus on the nearest rupee, 10 rupee. So rupee is there, there is the next value, and 10 rupees means nearest 10 multiple. That you have to focus clearly and get if they are given plus, then do the sum. If they are given minus, then do the find the difference of the given number. So in the exercise, the 4 and 5 these examples are there, 10 rupees and 11 rupees, and only nearest rupee there is a first example, nearest 10 rupees, second example, nearest 100 rupees, there will be the third example. So each having 4 examples. First 2 example solution I will give, and remaining 2 you have to do for the following. The next one, estimate by rounding to the nearest 10 rupees, that is rupees 79,632 minus rupees 13,495. There is no decimal point given here. So nearest rupee means rupees 79,630. 2 is there, that's why it is 30 only, minus, so last digit is 5, that's why rupees 13,500, 490 plus rupees 10, rupees 13,580. So the difference is rupees 66,130. You have to carefully do that. So nearest rupee means last after decimal point you have to do, and nearest 10 rupees means last digit you have to focus. Then estimating by rounding to the nearest 100 rupees. 100 rupees means last 2 digit you have to make it 00. Then if it is want to add this tens place you have to observe. So rupees 23,725 plus rupees 11,683. So last digit is tens digit is 2. So it is 10 digit into it. That's why it is rupees 23,700. And here 10th digit is 8. That's why rupees 11,000 and 700. So you have to make the answer correctly. So the answer of this sum is rupees 35,400. In the nearest rupee, we have to observe the ones place, and in the tens place, we have to observe the. So in the tens rupees, you have to observe the ones place, and if the 100 rupees, we have to observe the tens place. If in the rupees, you have to observe the tenth place. So like that, you have to observe carefully and complete. Let us practice 5.7 in your notebook. So here easiest examples are there. First one, nearest rupee. Second one, nearest 10 rupees. Third one, nearest 100 rupees. Fourth one is the sum or difference. Fifth one is the nearest 10 rupees. Sixth one is the nearest 100 rupees. I hope you will solve the examples carefully and just complete in your notebook today or tomorrow. Thank you.